So yesterday we spent the day with boarding down a volcano, and as part of that amazing package we get a free shuttle bus to the beach. So today we are taking advantage and we're going to the beach for a few hours to watch the sunset.
Visit as part of your free shuttle to the beach is a lovely resort called Manos and Manos, and look at this spectacular Pacific beach.
So as part of our Volcano Day experience, we also got a free walking tour. And this is our guide, Will, who's going to show us around Leon.
The best bits.
The best bits. In the town of Leon, there is a total of 16 churches. And the church behind us here is one of those churches.
I am actually outside the most famous bakery in Leon. El Leon Dorado. And I've just found out the owner is called Mariana, so it must be good. So I went for an apple pastry.
Nice. Good job.
It's all sticky. So the largest cathedral in Central America is here in Leon. This cathedral has actually been rebuilt 4 times. The original building was built in wood and it kept being attacked and burnt down by pirates. But finally, they made it strong and out of stone, and it's still standing today.
So we've come up to the roof of the cathedral here in Leon, and behind us you can see Cerro Negro, which is where we did the volcano boarding. And I've just been advised that out of all the volcanoes here that surround Leon, Cerro Negro is the most fearsome, which is great because we've already volcano boarded down the side. Of course it's the most dangerous.
Good job. Cut.